Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. If you remember right, we've been learning about the sound E, which is made by two letters that work together. Can you remember which two letters work together to make the E sound? That's right. It's two E's. They're strong and they say the sound E when they get together. Let's do a new sound activity. One of the words on your screen has an E in it, the E sound. I'm going to say the word, and you try to figure out which one of those words is the word I'm saying. Listen to my word. Say sleet, sleet. Which one of those is sleet? You're right. It's the first one. Look at the sounds. S-O-eat. The other one is S-L. They have some of the same letters, but it is a different word. All right, try this one. Which of these words is seam? Seam. Great job. It's the second word. Which one of these words is feel? Feel. It is the first word. Look at how similar those words are. They both have a f. They both have at least one E, and they both have at least one L. But the first one is feel. Don't be tricked. Which one of these is the word three, like the number 3? It's the first one. E, 3. All right, let's move on to our next sound activity. We are going to take the first sound and change it to a different sound to make a new word. But today, only a box will appear. The letter will not be there, so you have to remember what sound is there. Let me show you how. So if I say rid, say rid. Change to d. Did. Is there a duh there? There is not. You have to remember the sound. So pay close attention. Are you ready? Say tax. Change t to w. Wax. Say cub. Change k to t. Tub. Say gum. Change g to th. Thumb. Say pin. Change p to t. Tin. Say lot. Change o to h. Hot, like it's hot outside. Say mad. Change to h. Had. Great job. Say cop. Change k to Mop. Say mat. Change to s. Sat, like I sat down. Last one. Say, oh, that was the last one. Sorry, boys and girls. It's time for blending. And guess what? We don't have Mario today. We have Tony. So can everyone say hi to Tony? Oh, he must be sleeping again. Hey, Tony. Hey, Tones. Wake up. There he is. Hi, Tony. Say hi to the boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. Hey, Tony, you're going to help us with blending. Remember how that works? I say 3 sounds. You blend them together with Tony to figure out what word I'm trying to say. Is everybody ready? Here we go. Here's my sounds. T, I, d. What word is that? Toyed. He said tide. It's hard to tell what he's saying sometimes. Tide. Good job. What's this word? Ache. It's a boy's name. Ache. Jake. Jake. Good job. What about this one? Eat. Eat. Pete. It's Pete. Another boy's name. What about this one? Eel. Eel. I'll give you a hint. Think fishing. Reel. Reel. Great job. Last one. Mud. 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 It's mud. All right. For Tony and I, have a great day, everybody.